Hello students, in this video we are going to study about column span. So when we have to merge more than one column and prepare a single cell, then we are going to use a column span in your table program. So basically column span is an attribute of TD and TH tag which can be used only in TD and TH tag. So whenever you have to use a column span, you have to give a value to it. Means you have to give a numbered value in it. So you can write column span is equals to 4 if you want to merge 4 columns. You can write column span is equals to 3 if you want to merge 3 columns. If you want to merge 2 columns, then you will be writing column span is equals to 2. So this is how you write column span in the given program. So let us perform a practical program which is given in your book. So same program we'll perform live in this video. So let us open the notepad and then I'll be writing HTML. After that we'll be writing as head and then I'll be entering the title. So inside the title I'll write column span program and then I'll be ending the title tag. So this is the end of the title tag and then I'll be ending the head tag. So after that I'll be writing the body tag and then we are going to start with a table tag. So for table I'll be giving a border which is equals to 3 and I'll give a border color that is equal to I'll give sky blue color. So this is my border color which I'll be using for the table. Okay, so these are the attributes, these are the optional attributes, you can use it and you have for your table. Next is what I'll be starting with the first row. So inside the first row I'll write TD tag and then I'll start with a column span. So as this is an attribute of TD tag, you have to write it inside the TD tag. So I have written column span and I'm going to merge 2 rows. So I'll give the value as 2. So I'll give alignment inside this, like I'll give the alignment as center. By default the alignment is always left. So if you want to change the alignment for center, you can give align center. If you want to make it as right, you can give alignment as right. So then I'll be ending the TD tag here. So after that, this is what is going to finish my first row. Now we'll be starting with the second row. So I'll start with a fresh TR tag and inside that TR tag I'll be giving a TD tag with a BG color which is equals to red. So I'll give a BG color which is equals to red and I'll write here red. So after that we'll be ending the TD tag. So then we are going to give the next TD tag. In that we'll give BG color is equals to green and then I'll write here green and I'll end the TD tag here. After that we'll be ending the TR tag as well as the table tag along with the body tag and then finally we'll end our HTML tag. So this will be ending the program. So this is the end of HTML tag. So basically these things are optional, like BG color. We can give it or we cannot give it. It depends on us how we want to design a table. So that's optional. So let us save this program of column span. So I'll just save it as call.html. So I'll just save it on desktop and we'll just execute this program now. Yes, so this is how there is a sign which we can see here. So any type of extra sign may cause an error in this. So there was a double opening angular bracket for head, so that has appeared here. So I've just removed it. So that's it. So this is the output of your program. So you have to take care every time that you open the bracket, you close the bracket properly, you open some tag which are the container tag, you make sure you close them with slash So this is how you have to take care in HTML program. So this is your column span program, and this is the output for it. Okay, this is the similar program which we have in the textbook, in your IT textbook on page number 37. So this is all about column span. Do practice these programs at home. Any problem you can comment me in the comment section. Thank you for watching. Do subscribe the channel.